We're going to be making pancakes, and I am Ryder. And this is the ingredients. Pancake mix, sugar, and water. And my dad is going to be helping me.
So that's the pancake mix. You're gonna get the pancake mix, pour it in here.
It's too much, I think.
Need more?
No,
Huh? Okay.
no.
So it's like how many? Half cup
Half cup.
of pancake mix. Then 2 teaspoons of sugar. Not like this. Just that much.
Too much sugar.
Because if you don't put sugar, it's
Not sweet.
yeah. Then mix it. You need
Sugar.
water, a little bit of water. Put the water. Mix it. You need more water, or you need a little bit more water. So mix ready.
I think so.
So I'm helping her to make the fire. The pan here.
We need oil and a brush. And it's really risky for kids. So my dad is going to help me. Your parents could also help you if you're a kid or a 7-year-old.
Yeah, that's right there. Perfect.
So I finished making the pancakes. My mom helped also, and me and my brother are going to do a taste test if it's good or not. It's good. I liked it. Oh, it tastes good.
It's lacking honey. Basically no honey on it.
How was the taste?
It was yummy.
Abdullah?